In the previous video, we showed like how to use the UDP commands to control this AVIP system. And here I'm just going to show like how we use the third-party control system to control the AVIP system. Like right now, actually, I have our own control host, and we have the unit already powered on. Then we have LAN port, which is connected to the A port PO switch, right? Then from the PO switch, and we can check out, and we have the two LAN cable are connected to the RS232 server here, IP to RS232 server. We have two types. The first one is actually we're using the TCP IP to the DB9 RS232 port, one port only. Now is actually we're using the TCP IP to the RG45 port as the RS232 or the 485 or the 422. And later I'm just going to send the TCP IP from the control host then to these two servers, and then we can just control like the displays on off by the RS232 commands. Okay, this is the RS232 from the screen. So first one, I'm just going to connect to this TCP IP server by the DB9. Okay, so DB9, which is connected to RS232 to the screen here. And as well, I'm just going to show like how we do the programming on this PC PC. Okay, so on the PC, before this the UDP software which we used before, and we can just close, and we can minimize this one, and we can just go to the web browser, and we can do the programmings. Okay, so basically this is the web GUI control user interface for the control host. And we have like 5 presets, which is for the AVIP system. Then we have the screen off and on 2 buttons, which is to send the RS232 commands to the RS232 server, then to the screen on off. Okay, so now I'm just going to show like how we do the programming on the software. The first one we got is actually we call the vision node, which is for us to design like the user interface, the button and everything. Like right now, if I can just I can move like the buttons just like this one. Right, this is the 4 presets. We can just choose this part and we make it as okay, it would choose better. Okay, so this is the for the 5 presets, and these 2 buttons are for the screen on off. If I want to do that, and we can just simply drag the button from here and get a button, right? This is how we do the UI programming. After we did it, and then we just do the upload the success. And this is the logic, which means for us to do the commands, and like the AVIP system, we're using the UDP commands. So we have like the user interface, then we have the serial, and we have the UDP client, and then we can check out. So this is the UDP IP address, and this is the port number, right? We have the settings ready, and here shows the commands to record the 5 presets. And this part is going to be using the TCP IP to the RS232 server here. So basically this is the model which we just created, right? Same, and because this is the IP address of this IP server here. Okay, so we already have this ready, then we can just do it. We just upload to the system, enter, right? Then we can just go to the web GUI browser. This is the previous UI which we did, and we can just refresh. Right, this is the UI which we programmed, and let's see how it works if we press the preset 1. Right, it's actually already responding this to DB, and preset 2, preset 3, preset 4, and preset 5. And let's see if we can get the screen on. So the screen buttons means for the screen on. So just click screen on. Let's wait Great, we can see the screen is already on. Okay. And let's send another commands to have the screen off. Right, the screen already off.